Today, a very interesting thing came in front of me. It's a classic issue of America. Indians who live in America, they believe that they have very poor understanding of how businesses work here. They have very poor understanding of what can be achieved here. They don't understand what's going on around them, right? So, so the case is. This guy, I was talking to him regarding a business proposal, and he kept on saying that this is too easy, anybody can do it. So that guy, I won't take the name, but that guy is an architect level guy. He is an IT architect. He is very senior. He knows. I was giving him a business proposal. This is how we should do. He thinks making PowerPoints is very easy. Anybody can make it, which is fine. He says, doing a basic maths, and I'm myself saying it's a basic maths, and so that you can understand my concept. Maths is basic, I agree, and I totally agree. Getting the figure, going to email, 20 emails, checking out, what was promised. So and basically, calculating what all was paid already and what all is not paid, and then doing the maths and then saying this is due. This is a simple maths, right? Collecting all the things from various emails, right? I hope you understand the concept. So he was saying that calculating the advance of a person is very easy. Yes, it is very easy. You need to check out all those emails, and you have to calculate messages, etc., exchange with the person, calculate what was given to him as an advance, and then doing the totals. There are 20 such advances, and doing the totals, and then finally giving the number to him that okay, this is the money that he owes us, right? Okay. So this is a very simple thing, right? I agree. So many other things. Making the tea, serving the tea is very easy, right? Right? It's very easy, right? But in America, we all understand making the tea, serving the tea, eating preparing the food, setting up the food, serving the food. All these things cost a lot. All these things cost a lot. Very, very high. $30 an hour, and that too an uncertain labor. You don't know whether they'll come on the right time. Yeah, that is also there. If you're paying the like $35 an hour in Sacramento, I'm not talking about Manhattan or Bay Area. I'm talking about in Sacramento. If you're paying $35 an hour, then there is a 1 in 10 chance, because of some natural reason, she may not be able to come, and then there will be no replacement, and then you'll be left alone. You'll be again doing it yourself. But if you, let's say, get someone for $25 an hour, then you don't know whether she will ever come. This has happened with me. That's why I'm adding this as an uncertainty factor. So the guys here, doing the totals means the person should have access to all your emails. So that person has to be trustworthy. It's basic maths, collecting all the things. He says he claimed that these are all clerical duties. Can you give your laptop access, email access to someone who's just very junior? So, right? I told, and basically it is not clerical. That's my whole point. Even if you're thinking it's very easy, it requires high level of trust between you and him. And when you are doing it, then what are you doing? If it is clerical, then why are you doing? Why don't you hire a clerk? Where is your clerk? The reason is you don't have a clerk because you didn't think about this. The guy has been here for 15 years. You didn't think about this so far. I am thinking for you guys. I'm telling you guys, it's very hard to hire a clerk here who will do basic maths for you. Yes. Where will you get it from? Where will you get it from? So please understand, it's very hard to get a clerk. So both these things, serving tea, doing maths, making tea, serving food, making food, all these things are very costly services here in America, and it is very costly, and you cannot easily get it. Please remember, in case of accounting, if you let's say you get someone for, let's say, 100,000 a year. First of all, it won't be easy to hire that, right? But then let's say you do that. Then please remember, she will have her own nakharas, her own tantrums. She will have her own problems. She may not come some of these days. She may be pregnant, and then she may take a 3-month leave. Then she may take a vacation. So you understand all those things. This is California. Hiring a person is very, very costly, right? And so is the case in Canada and in Australia. Everywhere hiring a person is very, very costly, right? When you are working there, you say there are some great benefits they have holidays, this and that. But when you are a business owner, then you will have to give these benefits at your cost. Making sense? Understand? You understand? So the same thing, you guys know it. You guys know it that people are paid very well. There is not much work. They come to office. There is a work-life balance. You heard of these stories, right? So when you are a small business owner and you have to hire a person, then you have to give this work-life balance, and that's when you understand the true cost of hiring a person. If you say the salary is 100K, that's not the true cost. True cost is much more. All right? You must have heard that you have a lot of rights. If you get hurt in the workplace, then you can sue your employer. You can get money from them. Yes, it's true. You are safe. Occupational hazards wise, you are safe in America. Yes, but when you are an employer, then that adds to your cost. You have to buy the insurances as well as provide a safe working environment, which can be very costly. Got it? Got it, guys? Hiring people in America is very, very costly. I've said it multiple times, and that's the reason. One of the reasons why you cannot go up in this country so easily. All right, guys. So now this person, let me call his name as Rao. So Mr. Rao is saying that, oh, okay. Now Mr. Rao's person, like Mr. Rao may think, he says it's very, I remember if the first problem is he says it's very easy. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. Now the second problem comes. He says, oh, I can get it done in India. Sure, Mr. Rao, go to India and hire a person. Then you will understand how easy it is to hire a person in India. He may be a kamchor. He may be a person. He may be a slacker. He may be a dishonest person. He may distribute your emails to anybody. You can never trust him. He may violate your privacy. There are so many other problems. How do you hire a professional person in India? I've made a special video about that. It can start to get costly from there. When you want to hire a professional person from India, I've given some. I just released a video recently that how to hire a good freelancer in India. But guys, all that work you will have to do. Find the guy, find the freelancer. You will have to do all that work, guys. Please remember, and that is your $400 an hour time. Instead of that, you hire a good company which you can work with, right? And that will be better for you. But anyway, that's another story. What's the solution? But the problem is, many people believe that, oh, this is a clerical thing. Oh, this is an easy thing. Anybody can do it. Oh, this is this. Oh, anybody. I can easily hire a person in India. All this is bullshit. I'm telling you guys. In America, hiring a person is very, very costly, and you won't be able to afford one easily at all. That's the central message I wanted to give you. Thank you, guys.